Hi guys, this is a small video review of this multi-tool gadget that I purchased on gearbest.com. It comes in this plain white box. This thing is looks like a key, and you can use it on your keychain, and in this case you will always have some very useful things in your pocket. As you can see, it is locks in this position, and there is the hole for the keychain. Firstly, it locks in this 90-degree position. In this case, you can use the screwdriver here or the screwdriver at this end. Well, and maybe the bottle opener is also can be used in this position. Okay, as you can see, there is a Swisstech util key label on it, this side, and no other things on the other side. And if you open it more, then it locks in this position too, and you can use there is a blade at the end, and the blade is serrated in this area. It can be used as a as envelope opener or to cut something, and I think it is easier to use this bottle opener in this position. So I think it is a very cool gadget, which is quite cheap and useful many times if you have it in your pocket or on your keychain. It has very good overall quality, nice edges, no burrs or nothing at all. It has a quite good finishing. So I absolutely recommend to buy this gadget. Thanks for watching.